My name is John Morris. I run JW Morris Auto Services Limited. We've been in business for 29 years and this is my second garage. I have one about 2.5 miles away which does exactly the same things. We're just a little bit bigger. We have a body shop, we have an MOT test centre, and we can do most jobs efficiently on every car. We do specialise in a lot of prestige cars, which is Land Rover, Audi, BMW, Mercedes, and also we can do everything as well. We've been using digital service history for probably nearly 12 months now. Now we've seen it develop because the access to it is very, very good. Especially the service reminders, the MOT reminders you can send to customers. They appreciate it when they say, oh, I've had a service reminder for my car, and they're bringing it back to JW Morris, which is what it's all about. We want to increase the workload, make it what it is, and make JW Morris a success. When I saw the trial for Digital Servicebook, I thought I'd have a look at it because it seemed to be something that we were missing, and also the dealers or the franchise dealers don't really want you to have the service history, and they don't want you to have the access to the service history. Now Digital Service History takes you up another level from there because you can find out what you need to know and what the dealers have done and what the vehicle is, and really the customer doesn't really know anyway. But the service history belongs to the vehicle and the customer, not to the dealer. But with Digital Service History, you can access it and you can provide the customer with a record of that history. We find Digital Service History very easy to use, especially original data. You can find the original data, you can find what cars have been serviced. You can. The other thing is, if you've done a service, and you can backdate this to when the invoice was done so that you know that you've got a digital record. You can give the customer a digital record of what he has done, what has been done on the car. And the MOT test is really, it shows everything of when the MOT test is due, when you've done it, if you've done a service at the same time. So really, it's a one-stop shop just to be able to find everything that you need. I would say 99% of the cars that come through the door, we would always put it onto Digital Servicebook. Even an MOT we would put on Digital Servicebook, and then we can send them a reminder for the next MOT or the next service. We find it very, very useful, especially when the customers come back and say, I've had an email from Digital Servicebook, you know, saying my MOT is due. They find that very useful as well to come back to JW Morris.